Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to AI Navigator. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to create children's storybooks with the power of 3 free AI tools? I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. I will be putting all the links to these AI tools in the description. Think about what makes a story enchanting for kids. What themes, characters, and adventures will capture their hearts and minds? Take your time and jot down any and all ideas that come to you. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to creativity. Whether it's a magical quest, talking animals, or a heartwarming lesson, let your imagination run wild. Once you've got your story concept, we'll use AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo, and Canva to bring it to life. So go ahead and craft the story you've always dreamed of sharing with young readers. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll show you how to turn your story into a beautifully illustrated children's book using these amazing AI tools. We will start it by using ChatGPT. It is your creative companion. It's not just any AI. It's a tool that can help you refine and expand your story. Start by typing in your story's outline or key ideas. ChatGPT can provide suggestions, help with character development, and even generate dialogues. It's like having a co-author who's always ready to collaborate and inspire your storytelling. Feel free to experiment and iterate. You can ask ChatGPT questions, seek advice, or simply use it to overcome writer's block. With ChatGPT, your creative juices can flow freely. So we will go ahead and harness the AI magic of ChatGPT to weave our story into something truly extraordinary. As we can see here that ChatGPT has already generated a story titled The Adventures of Benny the Bunny and has added some chapters as well. The story is about Benny the Bunny and his quest to find the golden carrot in the enchanted forest. Along the way, he makes friends and solves puzzles. When he finally finds the golden carrot, he realizes that the real treasure is the friendships he's made, so he shares it with everyone, spreading joy and teaching the importance of friendship and sharing. After I have my story written well with ChatGPT, it's time to add a visual dimension to my children's book. We will use the free AI-powered art-generating tool Leonardo. With Leonardo, you can transform your story's characters, settings, and scenes into captivating illustrations. All I need to do is describe my vision to Leonardo using prompts. Watch in amazement as this AI tool turns my words into beautiful, imaginative artwork. So to turn our story into some beautiful artworks, we'll first need to look for AI image generation option in the user tools section of Leonardo.ai's website. After clicking on the AI image generation option, we will get to see the page where we will put our prompts to generate the images that we need for our storybook. Now we will head over to ChatGPT again and copy the stories of each chapters. After that, we will go back to Leonardo.ai and paste the stories in the prompts section. Then hit the generate button. Now Leonardo will start generating the images that we will be using in our storybook. As we can see here that Leonardo has done a fantastic job at generating some amazing images as per the given prompt. Now, we have to choose one and save it in a folder. Then we will head back to ChatGPT again and copy the second chapter of the story. Paste the story in the prompt section of Leonardo.ai and hit the generate button. We will select one image again and save it in the same folder. As we have already got the images for the first 2 chapters, we will follow the same process to generate images for the remaining chapters. Leonardo can help you create vibrant and engaging visuals that will resonate with young readers. It's like having a talented artist at your fingertips. Whether it's a magical forest, whimsical creatures, or the charming characters from your story, Leonardo will make your book visually stunning. After I have my images ready, I will take my story and illustrations to the next level of visual appeal. Canva is our creative playground for crafting the perfect layout for my children's storybook. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can effortlessly design each page of your book, blending text and images seamlessly. Type storybook in the search bar of Canva and make sure the templates is selected. Wait for the search results and then click on Create a Blank Storybook. Now head over to Uploads panel and upload the images to canva.com. These will form the heart and soul of my book's visual storytelling. I'm using Canva's drag and drop features to position my text, ensuring it complements the illustrations and enhances the overall reading experience. Customizing fonts, colors, and other design elements to create a unique and engaging look for my storybook. Canva offers a wide range of options to match our creative vision. Before we move forward, it's crucial to proofread and edit our work. Ensure that our story flows smoothly and is free of errors. The goal is to provide a polished reading experience. After we are done proofreading the contents thoroughly, we will now have to save our book as a PDF file. So to save our book as a PDF file, we will first go to the top right corner of canva.com and click on Share. After that, click on Download. Then we will see a bunch of options. Make sure the file type is PDF, and after that, finally click on the download button again. Our book will then start downloading, and it's time to share it with the world. Self-publishing is a popular choice for many authors. It gives you full control over your work, from the content to the design. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Ingram Spark make it easy to get your book out there. Traditional publishing involves submitting your manuscript to a publishing house, which handles the editing, design, and distribution. However, it can be a lengthy and competitive process. Your choice of publishing route will depend on your goals, budget, and preferences. Whichever path you choose, remember that your children's storybook is a unique creation, and there's an audience out there waiting to discover it. So the last stage of our creative journey, getting our children's storybook ready for distribution. To create a high-quality PDF of your storybook, make sure you have the final version of your book's layout in Canva or any other design software you used. I will be exporting my book pages into PDF format. Be sure to select the appropriate settings for print quality, as this will ensure that my book looks great in physical form. Before finalizing export, double-checking the PDF to ensure everything looks exactly as I intended. We will pay close attention to page layout, image quality, and text placement. Now, for the digital sharing part, you can also make your book available on Amazon Kindle. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, platform allows you to easily upload your book in digital format, reaching a wide audience of ebook readers. And there you have it. Your children's storybook is now ready in PDF format, both for printing and for sharing digitally on Amazon Kindle. You've taken your creative vision from idea to reality with the help of AI tools and your imagination. Each books are unique. It's a blend of boundless imagination, captivating visual appeal, and valuable educational content. Children and parents alike are drawn to these AI-powered books because they offer a world of wonder and learning. The AI-generated short story by ChatGPT, stunning vibrant images generated by Leonardo.ai, which captures the attention of every children, and a book in PDF format made with Canva.com. All these 3 AI tools are free to use. It takes very less amount of your time to generate children's storybook that will help you generate some passive income. So why miss out on this opportunity in the era of AI? Another factor in their success is cost-effective production. AI streamlines the creative process, making these books accessible to a wide audience. AI isn't limited to one theme. These books cover a wide range of topics, ensuring there's something for every child's imagination. Amazon Kindle provides the perfect platform for these AI children's books to reach young readers around the world. So whether it's the boundless imagination, captivating visuals, educational value, or their cost-effectiveness, AI-created children's books are igniting a love for reading on children, and Amazon Kindle is where the magic happens. Congratulations on completing this incredible journey. Your creativity knows no bounds, and I'm sure your story will bring joy and wonder to children everywhere. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of storytelling and publishing. We wish you all the success in the world, and may your children's storybook touch the hearts and minds of many.